that's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me.
That's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that's real good.
Unfortunately, this is as clean as I'm going to be able to get this module. So now I'm going to install it, screw it on, and
Nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me.
Let's get to this part now. Okay, moment of truth. Yay! So you might wonder, what is this? Well, I put some clear tape around it, and like the bumper, I'll do it on this area. Once I finish the dustbin, I've spray painted it, then I'll cover it, and I covered this already. But this is simply to protect the paint, and it seems to be doing a really good job. Up, I made a mess. Oopsies. Well, I guess I can run this thing again. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Yeah, next time I'm probably gonna do the dustbin because it doesn't match. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like Roombas and you want me to post more of my Roombas, let me know. And yeah, anyways, see you guys later. Bye.